CNC lathe. Okay, CNC lathe, we can say this is turning center. Okay, CNC lathe is nothing but a turning center. Okay, in this two axes, that is x axis and z axis are there. Okay, in CNC lathe machines nothing but a turning center. In this turning center we have two axes, that is x axis and z axis. Now okay, this is a component. Okay, it will be a component. In this component, if you see in side view, this is side view of the component. Yeah, and then the view be like this. Isometric view, side view, and then front view. Now here, this is known as origin point. We say this is origin point. Okay. Now, according to this CNC turning, we'll be using two axes. That is, one is x-axis and then z-axis. If you see the graph, this is z plus, z minus, x plus, x minus. Okay, this is the graph. X plus, x minus, z plus, z minus. Based on this graph, we'll do the programming. Okay, the graph where will mention now in this side view. In this side view, I will mention this is z plus, z minus, x plus, x minus. Okay, based on this, according to the CNC lathe machine, x indicates diameter, z indicates length. X will be diameter. X is diameter. Z is now diameter under this. Suppose we say diameter 20. Okay, diameter 20. This diameter will 30. This is 15. Like, okay, 15, 15. If you see side view, yes, okay. Now, what is the principle of a CNC lathe machine? That is, in CNC lathe machine, workpiece will be rotating, job will be rotating, correct?
Rotate.
Yes,
Yes.
and then tool will be moving in upward direction or downward direction. What's that is, if the tool moving, the tool movement will be in only upward direction. That is, first tool will come to this position. Third point, from here, tool will be moving in this direction. Yeah. Okay. So that in this way, workpiece will be rotating. This CNC lathe machine, workpiece will be rotating. Okay, workpiece will be rotating, and then tool will be moving in this direction. So that this is the first point, second point, third point, fourth point, fifth point. Okay. Now this is the graph. Is it plus? Is it minus? X plus, X minus. Okay. Now this is the origin point. Okay. This is origin point. That is this point. So that as per the graph, what will be the first point? Point number 1 will be.
Sorry, the first point? I didn't understand.
Now, this is the graph. Just if you take this
Okay, okay.
is the
What?
Z minus X plus X minus.
Okay, okay, okay.
Now,
Okay.
this is the first point, this portion.
Yes.
What will be the first point?
Now, the first point will be x is 0,
Yeah.
z 1 or z.
Yes. That is simply we can write P1 X0 Z 0.
0. Okay.
Sure. It's clear.
Yes, it's good.
Yeah. First point will be X0 Z 0. Next, point number 2. Now the tool will be moving in this direction. Tool will be moving from first point to second point. What will be the point number 2?
Will be x 20, z 0.
Yeah. X20 is at 0. Sure. What will be the point number 3?
Z x same 20, z minus 15.
X20 is at minus 15. Yeah. Next, point
Yeah.
number 4.
X 30, z minus 15.
Sure. Point number 4. X20, sorry, X30, yeah. X30 is at minus 15. Point number 5.
X 30, z minus 30.
Yeah. X30 is at minus 30. That's all. If you understand this coordinate, okay, the program will be very easy. Program is nothing but a linear movement, radius movement. Only if you take this CNC programming, only 4 important commands are there. Okay, only 4 commands. If you understand these 4 important commands, now program will be very easy. What are these 4 important commands? Now we'll say G00, G00 command, and then G01, G02, and then G03.
Okay, that's one, yes.
Yeah, these are the 4 important commands in CNC programming. It's if you take any machine, CNC machines, If you take laser cutting or wood carving or the CNC turning machine, CNC milling machine, anything. Only the four important commands are there. G00, G01, G02, G03 commands. Now, if you understand this coordinates, now program will be very easy. Okay, simple. Instead of this P1, P2, P3, we should write the commands. That is G00 or G02 or G03 or some commands we should write. That's all. Okay, fine. You can copy this. Now, okay. Here, this is diagram 10. This will be diagram 15, diagram 30, diagram 35. Fine. 15, 5, 15. This is point number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What will be the point number 1?
It's X0, Z0.
Okay, point number 2.
X10, Z0.
Yeah. Point number 3.
X15, Z minus 5.
Yeah. 4. Point number 4.
X15, Z minus 20.
Total.
X30, Z minus 20.
20. 6.
X35, Z minus, how do I say, 25.
Okay, point number 7.
Okay. X minus, X35, Z 40 minus 40.
That's all. Point number 7 is X35. Z minus 40.
Minus 40, yes.
That's all. Okay, these are the simple basic things. Okay, if you know to calculate this, then nothing but x plus everything will be in x plus, everything will be in z minus. That's all. If you take a program, if you see the program, if you notify the program, maximum it will be in x plus and z minus. That's all. That is in this graph, x plus z minus. Total program will be like this. Why? Because now, why we are saying x indicates diameter now? When the program is running, if you see the program when we start the program job will be rotating. Yeah. So that the full area will be covered. So that x indicates diameter, z indicates length. That's all. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. That's all.
Yes.
Okay. If you understand this x plus z minus now, you can do the program easily.
Okay.
Sure. And then if you notice by the drawing, if you notify means you can say this is a simple method. Next, if you go for the company diagrams, it will be radius. Some radius will be there here.
Mm-hmm.
Like yesterday diagram also you will be having this R2, R3 something. Yeah.
Yes.
So
Yes.
how to calculate this R value?
Mm-hmm.
Any idea about that?
How to calculate it? Yes, I think you can normally I just
Okay.
I just put it in the machine and it works.
You can copy this diagram. Okay.
Okay. Okay, let me copy.
No need of this. So radius. Okay. Next we see about radius. Like this. In this two corners we are having the radius. Suppose this is R2, R3. Diameter is 10. Diameter is 30. 20. 30. Now this is point number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now what will be the point number 1?
Will be x0,
Hmm.
z0.
Yeah. Point number 2.
Point number 2 will be x6, z0.
Yeah. Point number 3.
x10, z2, minus 2.
Z minus 2. X10.
Or, am I wrong?
Point number 3. Point number 3.
Number, number 2. Number 3 is x10 and z minus 2.
Yeah. Point number 1. X0, Z0. Yeah.
Yes. And point number 2.
Point number 2. X6, Z0.
Yes.
Yeah. Next point number 3, x10 is at minus 2.
Minus 2. Yes.
This R2 will be
2. Yes.
point number 4, x
x10.
is at minus 20. Total value.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Point number 5. What is the point number 5?
Will be, what's 30? x26
Yeah.
z minus 20.
X26 is at minus 20. Point number 6.
Yeah. x30
Yeah.
z minus 23.
X30 is at minus
23. Oh, am I wrong? 23. Yeah. 23, yes.
23. Point number 7. X30 and then is at minus 4. Yeah.
Yes.
That's all. If you know how to calculate this radius, you can able to put the, but instead of this P1, P2, P3, wherever you need, then we will be putting G03, G02 like this commas. Okay. Yeah. Now this is clear. Yes.
That is correct. That's correct, yes.
Okay, you can copy this.
Okay.